This video is going to show you what to look for if you own a 986 Boxster and if it's equipped with a Becker 220 CD player that quits working on you. So first step would be right in the driver footwell. There's a little plastic cover for the fuse panel. So that you just kind of pull up on it, pull that out of the way, and then inside of the cover there's a handy book, and that tells you exactly where to look. And we're going to look at row B, fuse 2 for the radio right there, and also row D, and then number 9 for sound package. So looking at the fuse panel here, it goes A to E, so this one would be B, and then 2 is that 7.5 amp fuse there. And I already checked these, they're good, but I'll just show you. Here's a fuse puller here, and then you would just put it over it, pull it out. You're looking to make sure that the fuse isn't blown, which is that little metal filament in the center there. If it was blown, the filament wouldn't be connected. You would see it was there's like a disconnect in it. So anyway, both of those are good. This would be C, D, and then 9 would be there. If you look closely, it's actually, they have the numbers above the fuses themselves. So that's good as well. So that's a pretty simple place to start. If both of those fuses are good, then you can get these radio removal tools, and I'll put the part number in the video description. You put these keys in little slots towards the bottom of the CD player. You kind of angle them outwards and then pull them out. This one took quite a bit of force to get out. The radio probably hasn't been removed since the last time it was replaced 10 years ago. So I would recommend maybe putting some large screwdrivers in either side, just something that you can pull, you know, put some force on it, rather than I was pulling them out like this. Had to put a lot of force, and it really slices into your finger. So you pull the radio out. So you can see I already disconnected the things in the back just for the sake of the video. And on the back of the radio, there's another fuse. So you can pull that one out, have a look at it, see if that one's blown. That could be your issue. That fuse was good on mine as well. The last thing I did to try to troubleshoot it was I pulled this faceplate off. Once it flips down like that, it just pulls out, and you'll see right on the back of it. You could try to clean up these contacts and then reattach it. So you can try to clean those up with the cotton swab, some rubbing alcohol, or contact cleaner, whatever you think works best. This didn't do anything in my scenario. Looking at the previous owner's records, looks like the radio was last replaced 10 years ago, and it cost over $500. So I was able to source a replacement off of a forum member for the low price of around $40, and I'll be shooting an install video next.